Want to know how to create a custom loading spinner in Java? So finally, we create an array of characters like slash or straight line, negative, and much more. So you can just simply see in the third line as well, we have created a string, and then we print each character using reverse slash r to override the previous one. Add threads, sleep 150, that is on the 7th line, to control the speed of the spinner. After the looping is done, you can just simply print it as done on the 9th line as well. And then you get a tiny animated loading effect in the console. This is a great trick to make your console programs look interactive. You can adjust characters, loop count, or sleep timer for different speeds or styles. Quick, neat, and looks way cooler than just printing dots. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you easily create a custom loading spinner. So as you can see, a custom loading spinner has been working as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.